Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. We're setting the stage for an urgent look at the rapidly evolving internet economy. Look, we are right in the middle of a massive wealth transfer, a digital gold rush that's projected to peak in 2026. And if you're starting with zero experience and feeling like you're working harder but just not getting ahead, don't worry, I'm going to mentor you through this. We'll break down the exact new pathways to wealth that are opening up right now, along with the very first actionable steps you need to take. Let's get started.
Okay, let's dive into this. What if I told you that in 2026, people are making thousands of dollars online from opportunities that literally didn't even exist a few short years ago? It's crazy, right? While most people are still out there chasing outdated side hustles, trading their precious hours for a few extra bucks, a completely new wave of digital income is creating real financial freedom every single day. Your current understanding of making money online might actually be totally obsolete. You know, the biggest mistake beginners make is clinging to manual effort, those outdated side hustles that scale incredibly slowly. The 2026 economy demands a complete paradigm shift. We're replacing manual labor with scalable systems driven by AI, massive leaps in automation, digital products, a permanent global shift to remote work, and the absolutely booming creator economy. These are the engines that finally decouple your time from your income. Section 1. AI content and creators, the new age of media.
Kicking things off with method number 7, the AI content creation agency. Creators and entrepreneurs, they no longer spend days editing a single video. Instead, they're using AI tools to run entire agencies, managing social media and editing short-form video for clients on monthly retainers. Your actionable first step here, just pick one AI editing tool, master it this weekend, and offer to do one free video for a local business. That builds your portfolio instantly.
Set your initial financial milestone here, between $2,000 to $10,000 a month. This validates exactly why the 2026 economy is so powerful. You're providing businesses with something they desperately need, which is consistent, high-quality content, but you're producing it at a fraction of the traditional time cost.
Moving on to method number 6, faceless YouTube channels. This completely removes the barrier of having to be on camera. You just combine AI voiceovers with high-quality stock footage to create compelling educational videos. Now, a really common mistake here is choosing a niche that's way too broad. Instead, you want to niche down deeply. By utilizing automation systems to write, voice, and edit, you can eventually scale from running just one channel to an entire network without ever once showing your face.
Get this, the financial goal for a successful, automated, faceless channel ranges anywhere from $1,000 to $50,000 per month. Because YouTube pays for views, and your automated systems just keep pumping out content consistently, your revenue ceiling is incredibly high.
Section 2. Selling digital knowledge. Scalable expertise.
Method number 5 is selling digital products. We're talking ebooks, templates, Notion planners, and digital guides. A really concrete example of this is building a specialized Notion budget tracker tailored specifically for freelance graphic designers. But listen, the biggest mistake beginners make here is spending 3 months building a product that absolutely no one wants. So your first step should always be validating the idea on social media before you even design a single thing. You build it once and you sell it infinitely.
And because these products are purely digital, there's zero inventory costs and absolutely zero shipping fees. Your potential income here is classified as unlimited and scalable. Your only real limit is the traffic you can drive. It's the ultimate milestone, completely decoupling your time from your earning potential. Let's move to and see how this builds. Method number 3 is the online coaching and knowledge business. This adds a layer of deep expertise and community, focusing on teaching specific skills and building paid memberships. If you have zero experience right now, your first actionable step is to start a free weekly newsletter documenting your own learning journey. That builds immense trust before you ever ask for a sale. Because of the incredibly high perceived value of direct coaching and vibrant communities, your advanced financial milestone here ranges from $5,000 to well over $100,000 a month. Make no mistake, a well-run knowledge business and community is an absolute powerhouse in the 2026 internet economy. Section 3. High-income AI freelancing, the tech-powered solo worker.
Now, what's really interesting about this next one is how new it is. Method number 4 is AI prompt engineering. A few years ago, this didn't even exist. Now it's a massive opportunity. It involves creating specific, highly effective business prompts to help companies actually get the most out of their AI tools. You're offering workflow optimization and AI consulting. Your actionable first step, go read the official prompt guidelines from OpenAI or Anthropic and just start practicing by optimizing your own daily emails.
Because this skill saves businesses incredible amounts of time and money, your financial milestone shifts from a monthly retainer to extraordinary hourly rates. We are talking anywhere from $50 to $500 per hour for specialized consulting.
Method number 2 is traditional freelancing, but completely supercharged with AI. Classic services like copywriting, graphic design, video editing, social media management, and website building historically took massive amounts of time. Now, you can draft copy or generate concepts almost instantly. But hear me on this common mistake. Never, ever deliver raw AI output to a client. You must always act as the human editor to ensure high quality and accuracy.
This new AI efficiency drastically increases your capacity. And more capacity pushes your monthly earning potential from $1,000 to $20,000 a month. You aren't working harder. You're successfully scaling a solo operation into what used to require an entire agency team to pull off.
Section 4. AI Microbusinesses, the Holy Grail of 2026.
And here we are at method number 1, building AI-powered micro-businesses. This is the absolute peak of the new economy. We are talking about creating fully automated systems, things like custom AI customer service chatbots, automated lead generation tools, or niche subscription services. To start today, simply interview 3 local business owners. Find out what repetitive daily tasks they hate doing the most, and then research an AI tool that automates it for them.
So, the crucial point is, the ultimate financial goal here is true 6-figure business potential. Because it's highly automated and provides immense value, it operates completely independently of your time. This represents the absolute pinnacle of scaling your efforts and what financial freedom in 2026 actually looks like.
Section 5. Take action today. The 2026 imperative.
And this brilliantly illustrates everything we've just talked about. We have all 7 methods mapped to their specific financial milestones right here, from the initial 2 to 10 grand of an AI content agency, all the way up to the 6-figure potential of AI microbusinesses. The pathways to wealth are clearly laid out. Your only job is to pick the one that aligns best with your skills.
The source material concludes with a truly powerful truth. The biggest opportunity isn't finding the perfect side hustle, it's taking action before everyone else does. Don't get stuck in analysis paralysis. The most vital step you can take today is to stop researching and start building.
So which online income method are you going to start today? Pick just one. Set a clear financial goal, learn the specific AI tools required, and take your very first actionable step toward the 2026 digital economy. Drop a comment below with the method you're choosing, and make sure to subscribe for more expert guidance on online business. Thanks so much for joining me on today's Explainer, and I'll see you in the next one.